Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jones. Basically, you start out with massive amounts of data. You say, how are we going to analyze this? Well, let's fire up a pivot table and see if we can solve this problem. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill John. Let's go back to last Tuesday, episode 977. Joe had a problem where he had to paste into a filtered data set. I got a couple of great ideas, one of them from Gary Whiteford. Now, Gary has been on the program before. Sent us in a cool idea and got an Excel master pin. Gary says, let's make a copy of that data first, and then we can go ahead and apply the filter. So I'm going to use my filter by selection button, get just the West records. And then Gary said, just do whatever you need to do. Do the edit replace, do the formatting, or whatever it is that Joe needed to do. So I'll apply some formatting here. Maybe uses edit replace. And of course, the problem with this, doing it while it's filtered, is that it's doing it everywhere. This is really, when I read this step, I said, Gary, you don't get it. It's not going to work. But Gary does get it, because Gary realizes that he's ruining those hidden records, but he doesn't care because he's about to get rid of them. An amazing, amazing trick. Check this out. We're going to select just the visible cell, so that's Alt semicolon, and then clear that filter. So data, clear the filter, everything comes back. Now, what do I have selected? I have just the visible cells, the cells that I cared about, the cells that I changed, the West cells. Format row hide, hides those, and then we select what's left. Select what's left, again, Alt semicolon, and we're going to clear everything, Alt EAA to edit clear all, and then we come back in and we show all of the rows. Format row, unhide. All right, now here are just the records that we changed. I'm going to select those records. I'm going to copy, Control-C, and then we're about to use something that you've seen all the time and no one really knows what it does. We go to Home, Paste, Paste Special, and choose Skip Blanks. What does Skip Blanks do? Skip Blanks says, hey, if there was a blank in the original data that we copied, don't change the corresponding cell. Check what's going to happen. I'm going to click OK, and it's going to change all of the West records but leave the other records, the East and data records, alone. Very, very cool trick. I want to thank Gary for sending that in. A couple of things there. My favorite is where we basically went to reversing the filter. We had data filtered. We hid those rows, and then everything else that was left was the unfiltered data. That was amazing. And then once we had just the stuff that had changed, using Paste Special, Skip Blanks. What a great trick. I want to thank Gary for sending that in. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel. Well, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.